Meghalaya ka jingsngan ha ka imlang salang ningkong baro ki jingashan by bam lingba ka social welfare ansa kentiu sya ka shia jating ka shibenai kata ka long khat ar jating ka shisnem
hakane ka apnyo trek urumphang shanya ka sap jong phi haki artli ki sentiu bat kershan ya ka Meghalaya TMC
Nekas sngi uhe ke TMC waman le o parliamentary secretary ke parti kam jo le o MP ke Raja Sabha u Derek O'Brien hawaya kalam waki bathai khubor hajwai da ongu wakani to kasin wali wa wanu chajwai wedau pteng cho wa wan ne bha wa ngai skemo wa Andrew Shullai u waman kam kyrtong ke TMC sa khatsan khan rusngi we nei te wandau manu kam MLA ke parti we tikna bha yeini da ongu Kuwa wa u Andrew Shullai u mano kam u MLA ke juai, we de kularo, wa mto du yo ki ya u MLA, tang wa wat yo ole kam u MP, wa wan chakri ya ki pajba ke juai. Chok da kularo wa wan ra lelak tali ki kre ha ke jela ha kini kisan snem wa wan, we u yo ya ki skim wa mian, kam ka khat ar hajar tengka man u snem chaki man bay ke jela wa ki khenro khelut ke jela, we ya ini daule du hapo chispa sngi. U Derek da ongule wadau ya ka student credit card ka wachi lak chaki khanna hewa u ye wan ki usu ha ka sut ko khian bha kam ju le ka health card ka wasan lang chawar ki dekhot ka man yung hewa gani ka health card to em ko he pertuit ka man bay.
This is the third time I'm coming to Jowai in the last 20 days. This is the third time. I will come here a fourth time, a fifth time, a sixth time because we believe that Andrew is only a candidate of TMC for 15 or 16 more days. After that, he will not be a TMC candidate, he will be a TMC MLA. We're absolutely sure about this. We believe Jowai is ready for a change. We have a fantastic team here. He's from a very good family. And our full team here, a lot of experienced former MDCs, we have sitting. So we have a very wonderful team here. And I'm honestly going to tell you what I said at the meeting today is we want Andrew to be the MLA from Jowai. And since I have taken a personal interest in this beautiful constituency, I promised them that I would also, if they elect Andrew, they'll not only get one MLA from TMC, they will get a humble servant, MP from TMC, Derek, who will come and serve Jowai. This is a very simple promise. We believe we will easily deliver 3 lakh jobs in the next 5 years. We believe this state needs good schemes like 12,000 rupees every year to the beautiful ladies, the women of this state, 12,000 rupees to the young people of the state, and 3 lakh jobs. And we are also these will be done within 100 days, the first 2 schemes. Jobs we've given, how we will go about it, not just make promises. And Student Credit Card is a very successful program which we are already running. That is 10 lakhs for every student to be paid back at a very nominal rate of interest. That's a Student Credit Card. And we also, as you know, a very successful program is our health card, where health, medicines, operations are free. Every person in the household gets 5 lakh rupees health insurance. And that is also very interesting. It is in the name of the woman of the house. So I told you about the student credit card. I told you about the health card, which is already running for the last 10 years. I've already told you our commitment in our manifesto and in our pledge, because we believe education and health and infrastructure, roads, education and health are the priorities here, along with the jobs. The other point I want to make is that TMC, with its heavy weight of 40 MPs, is speaking in Parliament, can take these issues I'm afraid that those parties who are here in Meghalaya, they must be sleeping in parliament. They're not raising these issues. Khasi, in the 8th schedule, in the last 6 months, TMC has raised this issue 6 different times in parliament. Our MLAs have also gone to parliament. We want Khasi to be included in the 8th schedule. 100% we will fight for it. Enough of governments here who are actually pipe. They're all the pipes of BJP. Any party here with a P in its name, party from Meghalaya with a P in its name, P stands for pipe. Pipe of BJP. BJP themselves cannot come here because we know what is their track record about preserving the beautiful cultural identity, the language identity, the food identity, all different identities of a state. BJP want one nation and one everything. So we are the party who can fight the BJP, and people of Meghalaya have been cheated. Literally cheated by the scams. We raised this in parliament. All these parties were together before the election. All 3 of them were together. The P and the P. The pipe and the pipe. All were together. Now the elections have come. Oh, they're pretending they're fighting. We released about 1 month ago. We have mentioned that in our party manifesto. We have also given details of how the money will be generated. What percentage of the state budget will go to giving 12,000 rupees to women? What percentage of the state budget? We have a record. Our leader and chairperson is Mamata Banerjee. Right. By the way, in all this, if you see, who are the people sitting here? From Meghalaya, from Meghalaya, from Meghalaya, from Meghalaya, from Meghalaya, from Meghalaya. Of the people of Meghalaya, by the people of Meghalaya, for the people of Meghalaya. And what has been happening in the last 5 years, as I've been telling you, all the P and the P have been working together, the 3 pipes. The 3 pipes have been working together. We raised in parliament about the scams in the government of police scam, coal scam, Meghalaya Dome, we raised in parliament. In fact, people from around the country in the last 6 months are seeing how TMC can serve the people and amplify these issues. And I must tell you one last thing. We have some beautiful blend of young leaders like Andrew, Bright Star. So like Andrew and Bright Star, who are the younger leaders, and we have so many senior leaders, Madan, and our chairman, who has a great sense of humor. So thank you very much, and we will be happy to answer any questions. We are here to serve the people of Meghalaya, and we've come here only quite recently. But today we saw what I saw in the marketplace with this symbol. People want a change. They want to make this change, this flowers.
Kajing say so ha ka rap ka riang ka jinkmen ya kinong rap. Anda la pentrikam ka TMC ha ka ba shipawa jar tingka shisnem anya rap pisa ya baro kinong rap ha ka jilla lingba ka jingpen mi ya ka scheme batmai Farmers Assistant for Rural Meghalaya.
Hakane ka apnyo trek urumphang, Shan ya kasap jong pi haki artli kisentil bat kershan ya ka Meghalaya TMC.